whatever we have done in our last 75 years of independence from the British, we wanted to fundamentally change the education system, and that's when in the first term of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, a lot of work was done, and in the second term we finally announced and approved from the cabinet the new education policy. The new education policy basically intends to change the mindset. When we started the Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, GSV, focused on transportation and logistics, again Prime Minister gave us a very clear vision that it has to be purely industry driven, industry oriented, industry defined, industry run kind of institution focused on transportation and logistics. So what we did was we started approaching the companies which operate in the transportation industry. Airbus, we approached Boeing also, Siemens, Alstom, ABB, Placer, many such companies we approached. And our pitch was very simple pitch. Here is a whiteboard. You define the curriculum. We will not even change a comma or a full stop in it. We will not even ask you to put $1 in the institute. All that we seek is your knowledge, so that when these BTech students come out, they are absolutely employable for your industry. That was a simple pitch. Hats off to Professor Chaudhary. He persisted in that vision. He pursued each and every industry that we contacted and created course curriculum which is absolutely industry driven, industry made by industry, made for industry, made in a sense absolutely the way the vision was.